Welcome to Sisters Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications. Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to prepare chicken sweet corn soup. So let's get started with the recipe. To prepare this soup, first we need to add some vegetable oil into our karai. Here we are adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next I am going to add some ingredients, like I am adding some chopped onions followed by some ginger juliennes and some chopped green chilies, and I'll be frying them with some salt and black pepper powder. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 pinch of black pepper powder. Now I am going to fry them for almost 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, it has fried properly and our onion has become golden brown. Now I am going to add some boiled boneless chicken pieces into this, and I'll be frying them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see, our chicken pieces has fried properly. Now I am adding 2 cups of chicken stock into this. Next I am adding 1 cup of sweet corn in this soup. Now I am going to boil my soup for almost 10 minutes with some salt and black pepper powder. After 10 minutes, our soup has started boiling. Next, I am adding some corn flour slurry into this to thicken our soup, and I'll be boiling it for 5 more minutes. After some time, as you can see, our soup consistency has become little thick. Now I am adding 1 beaten egg in this soup and let it boil for some more minutes. Once this healthy and tasty soup is ready to serve, enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.